Good morning everyone. My name is Y Manohar. Today I am going to walk you through some of the most important building blocks of JavaScript: variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. Think of these as the five pillars that hold up almost every JavaScript program. If you understand this, you will already halfway to begin a confident JavaScript programmer. First, variables. Let's start with variables. In JavaScript, a variable is like a storage box for information. You can store values like numbers, text, or even more complex data. We create variables using keywords like let, const, or the older where. For example, JavaScript, let name is equal to John, constant age is equal to 25. Here name stores text, a string, and an age stores a number. Let is used when the value might change later, and const is used when it should stay constant. Think of variables as little label jars in which you can put your data, so you can come back and use it later. Now we are going to discuss about arrays. Imagine you need to store multiple values together, like a list of items. That's where arrays come in. An array is like a shelf where you store multiple boxes, each with its own position or index. Example, JavaScript, let fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Console.log fruits 0, apple. In JavaScript, array index starts from 0, so fruit 0 is the first item. Arrays are super useful when you need to store and process a group of similar data. Now, functions. Next up, functions. A function is like a recipe. It's a set of instructions that you can reuse whenever you want. For example, JavaScript function greet name console.log hello plus name greet alliance. Here greet is a function that takes a name and prints a greeting function. Save your time because you write the code once and reuse it anywhere. Now 4 is objects. Now let's talk about objects. And objects store data in a key value page. Think of it as a dictionary where each word has a meaning. Example, JavaScript. Let car is equal to brand Toyota, model Camry, year 2022. Console.log car brand Toyota. Here brand, model and year are keys and their values describe the car. Objects are powerful because they can also store functions, arrays and even other objects. In real world programming, most data you will deal with will be an object form. Now fifth, we discuss about loops. Finally, let's talk about loops. A loop allows you to repeat code without writing it multiple times. The most common loop is for loop. JavaScript for let I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Console.log number plus I. This loop prints number from 0 to 4. We also have the while loop and special loops like for off, for arrays and for in for objects. Loops save us time and make our code much shorter and cleaner. Variables store data, arrays store multiple values in order, functions let you reuse instructions, objects store data in key value pairs, loops repeat code efficiently. Master this and you will have a strong foundation to build anything, for a simple calculator to a full-fledged web application. Thank you.